In this video, we will talk about aggregation. And this is the second part of association. You can find the link of the first part in the description. So aggregation are basically weak form of association. So the relationship between the two objects are weak. For example, if one object is deleted, the other can be exist. So we have some examples here like department has students, person has car. So if we delete the department, the student can exist. Same way, if we delete the person, the car can exist, or if we delete the car, the person can exist. To understand it much better, let's have a code example on it. So I will create a class named person, and in this person class I will have two private attributes that are name and age. Now I will create one more class called car. So here I will create two attributes like name and color. I will create a constructor here. Also, I will generate toString method to print the object in a string. Now let's go in our person class. So person has a car. So for that I will create one more attribute of car in a person class. And now let's generate a constructor. So and again create the toString method. So as you can see in aggregation, we are passing the car parameter in a constructor and assigning that parameter to the attribute of a car. So now let's go in our main class and create a car object, and I will say BMW car. M5, and its color will be red. Okay, now let's create our person class. Person, I will say Mickey, and new, and name will be Mickey, and his age will be 45. Okay, so as you can see, the person class constructor expects the car object. So here we have created a car object, so I will pass this car object to here to the person class. So now as you can see, the Mickey person has a car, BMW car. Okay, so now let's print it, system.out.println, and I will say Mickey dot toString, and then plus. Now let's run our code. So as you can see, so we have a person named Mickey, age 45, and the car he has BMW M5. Right. Now let's go and copy this and create one more car, and I will say dear Tesla, and here I will change it to Tesla. Its color will be blue. So for example, now let's pass this car to the person. So now the person has a car Tesla and the color is blue. So this is aggregation and it is a weak kind of association. So for example, if I remove these two objects, I will comment it out, and here I will pass null because now we don't have a car object. So if I pass it here, so still the code will work, right? But the person object exists, but he don't have a car, right? And same like I will do, and if I printed Tesla car dot toString, so the car still exists without the person, right? So I will comment it out, and I will comment this out also. So now we have a car object only exists. So as you can see, the both objects, they don't depend tightly on each other. This is a weak type of association, and this is called aggregation. So this is all about aggregation, and if you have any confusion, you can leave your comment in a comment section. Kindly subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.